So, hi guys! Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. This is Chin from Masagara Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So, ngayong gabing to, tingnan natin ang nagsasabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. This is Archangel Michael messages for the sign of Pisces. This is extended reading. So, ito ang karugtong ng reading na yon ng ating Archangel Michael. Ito yung extended reading niya kasi grabing pasabog. So this reading is general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong messages or advices to, kung sino makakasagap sa reading na ito. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe sa akin channel, please click nyo po subscribe button dyan sa baba for all bell para updated kayo sa mga videos na i-upload natin every time and every moment. So guys, ito na ang inyong extended reading. So, pisahan na natin. Angel Spirit, please give me information for the sign of Pisces. Ano kayang messages sa'yo ni God, no? Dahil si God yung kaninang nakita natin. So, eto na. Okay. Thank you, Angel Spirit. And there's a tower moment, no? And of course, there's a King of Swords. So, may mga bagay na kailangan mo nang putulin about dito sa Three of Vessels, about sa Three of Cups. May celebration or there's a there's a friend na or third party. There's an information na kailangan mo ng okay. So some of you guys mag-ingat kasi ito yung mangyayari daw. Mangyayari daw yan sa isang event. Mag-ingat lang. And of course, sinasabi dito, there's an Ace of Cups. At Ace of Cups is a romantic cycle, no? Kumbaga makikilala mo na yung taong to, ang magpapatibok sa puso mo, at talagang magbibigay sa'yo ng talagang kaliwanagan pagdating sa buhay pag-ibig. No? Eh, of course, sinasabi dito sa Page of Wands, there's a good news coming in for you. Kumbaga, may magandang balitang hatid to. And of course, there's a Ten of Swords. See? There's a Tower and of course, a Ten of Swords. O, ibig sabihin dito, there's a backstabbing. No? Tatraidorin ka dito. No? Mayroon taong tumatraidor sa'yo behind your back. What is the King of Swords? There is a Seven of Pentacles. See? So, masabi dito, there's a harvest time. Or there's a result. No? Or waiting for a result. King of Swords, putulin mo, maging matalino ka, and of course, there's a high standard, and of course, pagdating sa decision, napakatalino nito. Kumbaga, hindi nito, kumbaga, hindi siya magtsatsaga ng alam niyang walang benefits or wala siyang mapapala or hindi magsiserve sa kanya. And of course, there's a Four of Wands. There's a celebration. So, I told you, di ba, magkakaroon ng event. So, sinasabi sa'yo dito, mag-ingat ka. And of course, sinasabi ng event dito, it's either situation or sinasabi dito, makikilala mo yung taong mamahalin mo or there's a Nine of Cups. Oh, I told you. Kumbaga, ito yung magbubuo ng pangarap mo. Kumbaga, there's a partnership ako nakikita dito. What is the Page of Wands? Page of Wands represent Eight of Vessels. Eight of focus, no? There's a good news. Kailangan mo mag-focus about sa finances. And of course, sinasabi dito ng the Tower moment, the Ten of Swords, there's a Two of Wands. No? There is a two paths. So, ibig sabihin, may dalawang eksena kapag pipilian dito sa araw na yon. Kung may dalawang lakad ka daw dito, mag-isip ka kung saan ka pupunta. Mag-ingat ka kasi yung isa dyan, parang aware sa'yo, parang magiging aware ka na kung tutuloy ka ba doon sa eksena na yon or hindi. Kumbaga mararamdaman mo, magkakaroon ka ng gut feeling eh. Kumbaga there's an intuition there. Kasi may nasa-sense ka na eh. May something eh. May mangyayari hindi maganda. Nararamdaman mo, kaya mag-ingat ka. What is that King of Swords and of course the Seven of Pentacles? There's a Six of Swords. There's a transition. And of course, see? T. Meron talaga ditong it's an ex, ha? Mag-ingat ka. Baka bumalik si ex. Or there's a friend, no? Baka there's a friend, T. There's a friend or there's an information na dadaling ka dun sa isang lugar na yon. Mag-ingat. And of course, there's a Page of Cups. Listen to your intuition. No? akala mo, parang there is an information na parang mag-ingat ka lang, ha? May nakikita kasi akong tubig, may nakikita akong tubig at tubig tapos parang siyang may mga talahib or something na parang ano siya eh, parang liblib siyang lugar. Mag-ingat kayo. And of course, there is a nine of pentacles dito na blossoming abundance. Itong love life na makikilala mo, magdadala sa ito ng ng magandang partnership, no? Kumbaga, there's a love and career talaga. What is the Page of Wands and of course the Eight of Pentacles? There's a Five of Swords, no? There's an information na kailangan kumbaga, kuhanin mo, no? Kumbaga, there's a self-sabotage. Sinasabi sa'yo dito na kailangan mo mag-ingat at the same time, ha? At mag-focus ka dyan sa trabaho mo. Kasi there's a good news o may balita sa'yo na maghahatid sa'yo. Kailangan patas ka dito sa eksena. What is the outcome? What is the total outcome? Para malaman natin. Ang outcome is the Four of Vessels. Isang offer siya, T. Kumbaga, kung tatanggapin mo o hindi, ha? And of course, there's a King of Cups. There's a devoted and supportive person. At the same time, there's a Star card. Itong tao na to, mag-o-offer to sa'yo kay, mag-o-offer to sa'yo kaso there's an trust issue. May trust issue kay. Kumbaga, titignan dito kung tatanggapin mo ba itong offer nito. Itong offer nito magdadala sa'yo ng Star card. Kumbaga, hope, pag-asa. Okay, maganda naman pala ang pinaka-extended reading. Mapasabog ka dito, ha. What is the Love Oracle card? Pero kailangan mo lang maging ingat. And there's a kisses. So, there's an unconditional love. At the same time, there's a gold mirror. Kumbaga, love bombing. Kumbaga, bigla ka nalang bibiglain at papasabugan ng pagmamahal. Diba? Deserve. Because there's a camera. Kumbaga, there's a memories from the past. Learn from the past. Dapat natuto ka na sa nakaraan, ha? Kumbaga, may taong babalik sa'yo pero kailangan mo matuto. Hindi ka pwedeng, kasi there's a two, pati may dalawa kang pagpipilian. Or some of you, baka itong ex mo bumalik sa'yo o bumalik sa'yo para lang daling ka sa hindi magandang eksena. No? Yun yung sinasabi ko sa'yo dito. Maging maingat. Baka isabotahe ka nitong tao na to, ganon. What is the chakra? What is the chakra? There's a miracle. So, there's a miracle behind the scenes. And there's a joy. No, magiging masaya ka. And of course, parang hindi mo ini-expect tong mangyayari sa buhay mo. Kung ganda ng mo, ha? Ganda ng pasabog mo dito, ha? Okay, there's an artist. So, ibig sabihin dito parang mayroon siyang katangian by artist and there's a support, no? Kumbaga, susuportahan ka ng universe. And of course, full support sa iyo ating mga gabay. What is additional messages? There's a summer taking action. Kailangan mo mag-take ng action dito, ha? At the same time, sinasabi dito, there's a transition, release. Kailangan mo alisin yung mga negative thoughts and negative energy. So, what is the energy? So, let's see. So, this is the extended reading, guys. So, the Guardian and the Gate. So, makikita mo ata, madidiscover mo ang magandang eksena sa buhay mo. Kumbaga, this is the moment, no? And there's an appreciation. Kumbaga, ma-appreciate mo yung mga nangyayari sa buhay mo. And there's a man holding a coin. So, some of you, if you are a woman, so, ibig sabihin na tong lalaki na to ang magbibigay sa'yo ng magandang eksena. Or if you want Pisces na man, so, sabi sa'yo, there's a man. So, ibig sabihin, there's a bisexual, or there's no gender, dito, preferences, ha? Pero sinasabi sa'yo dito na, mukhang may lalaki dito na may hawak ng pera or finances. And of course, there's a deceit. May mangkukulam dito behind the scene. So, ibig sabihin dito, it's either ginawang ka ng hindi maganda nitong ex mo, kinulam ka, ginayuma ka or something, ha? May behind the scene dito. So, yun sinasabi sa'yo dito. I-clarify nga natin yan kung yan tao na yan ay kumbaga ginawang ka ng hindi maganda, itong mangkukulam dito, is your ex. Tignan nga natin. Okay, yes, oo, nagkaroon ng healing. Talaga nagkaroon ng healing dito, ha? Kumbaga, itong tao na to ay talagang, kumbaga, mahal na mahal ka, hindi pa makamove on. So, guys, this reading is an extended reading for the sign of Pisces, for Archangel Michael messages. Maraming salamat, guys, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!